Here is an exam question. Let's have a look at it. So figure 1 shows the outer electrons in an atom of group 1. So we've got 1 electron in the outermost shell, and we've got 6 electrons in sulfur, suggesting sulfur is in group 6. So potassium is your metal and sulfur is your non-metal. Moving on down here, potassium forms an ionic compound with sulfur because of the metal and non-metal. Describe what happens when 2 atoms of potassium react with 1 atom of sulfur. Give your answer in terms of electron transfer. Give the formula of the ions formed. Okay, so first of all we need to describe what happens when 2 atoms of potassium react with 1 atom of sulfur. So what we're going to say is that two potassium atoms will lose 1 electron each to the sulfur atom. So each potassium atom will form a K plus ion, that's a cation, and sulfur will gain 2 electrons, forming a sulphide ion with a 2- charge because it's gained 2 electrons, so it becomes a negative ion. It's called an anion, and the potassium ion is a cation because it has gained 1 electron. So you've got 2K plus and you've got 1 sulphide ion. So in conclusion, in terms of getting the marks for the mark scheme, we've said that the electrons are being transferred from the potassium to the sulfur. We've said that 2 potassium atoms each lose 1 electron. We've said that a potassium ion with a positive charge is going to be formed. We've said that sulfur atoms are going to gain 2 electrons and the sulphide ion has a 2- charge.